morning, friends. Well, good morning from Tokyo, Japan. It still feels so surreal to say that, but we made it to Japan after about 10-11 hours of flying from LA to Tokyo. But we made it. This is our official first full day in Japan. Today is Sunday. We are going to Harajuku, Yokohama and Shibuya. We're about to head out and we'll try to take you along with us and show you as much stuff as we can. We are heading out now. We just had breakfast at the Hilton Executive Lounge.
It was so good.
Which was so good. And we also got to see Mount Fuji from one of the windows because it's actually a pretty clear and not cloudy day. We're also going to exchange our ticket because we got the 72-hour Tokyo subway ticket from Klook, and let's hope it works. Thank you. So in Indonesia, there's also something like this with like tuna and like the chili stuff, and also like, I don't know, I should have like showed it earlier. You want some?
I don't.
It's not spicy.
Look at that film, still focus on walking.
Well, actually, I don't have it open, but it's on this side.
Focus on walking.